Hi everyone, hope you are all having an amazing day. So there are so many AI tools that generate a LinkedIn comment, but the issue with these tools are the comment they generated, it actually feels like a robotic, right? But imagine if there is an AI tool that perfectly replicates your voice tone and your writing style. So the comment that generates, it actually feels like it's written by you. That exactly what LinkedIn AI does. It is a personal AI assistant for LinkedIn designed to help you to craft a LinkedIn comments that match your voice tone and writing style. You can train LinkedIn AI in your voice tone. So let me show you how it works. Simply head over to the linkgenieai.com and first add the Chrome extension to the browser. Simply click on this. It will redirect to the Chrome Web Store. Simply add to the Chrome. In this to the toolbar. Here is your LinkGenie AI Chrome extension. So to active your Chrome extensions, you need LinkGenie API key and Open API key. So simply head over to this and you can start your 7 days free trial. Add your name and email and submit that. And in few seconds, you will receive an API key to your email. Simply copy that and simply paste this here. And Open API key, you will get that from an Open API key platform. Simply head over to this section, Open API, API key, and you can generate your Open API key here. Simply copy that. After you, if you don't know how to get this, head over to the website footer, and here is a guide section. You will see the detailed video how to get that. And after you get that Open API key, simply paste here and save API settings. Your extension will be active. And here you can train LinkGenie in your voice tone, writing style. So there is an option if you want to allow emojis in comments, you can on that. If not, then off that. Same for hashtags. And here is the length of the comment. And here is our best feature that we offer. Simply you can give prompts your data to train AI in your voice tone. Simply save this settings after that and refresh the page of LinkedIn. After that, you will head over the comment and here you can see the LinkGenie AI button. Simply tap on that and here you find multiple tones. You can select according to you and you have to just simply tap on any of tone you would like to comment. Let's say I do friendly. So in just few seconds, the AI generated comment will be written here. Oh, like you see, here it is. So you can see it actually matches the content. You can see the content here. It will write the comment according to the content and according to the voice tone. If you like that, simply tap on the comment and here we go. I hope you are excited what we have developed and I love to hear your feedbacks on how we can improve and we will appreciate your support on our product launch. Thanks. Have a great day.